Hey guys, Christina here with Pocketful of Letters to show you how to make a personalized gift for your child's teacher. These are the items you need. First, you're going to need a Silhouette Cameo 4, plus some vinyl, some accessories to put inside the mug. Here I got the mug and some colored pencils. I also have the Tombow dual brush pen so I can letter my daughter's teacher's name. Here you're going to see that I'm going to letter my daughter's teacher's name by hand. However, you can, in the Silhouette Studio app, use a font to make your child's teacher's name. The next thing I'm going to do is take a picture of the lettering and import it into the Silhouette Studio app. You can see here I'm importing it. I'm then going to trace the design that I made and outline it. That way I get the desired cut marks. Next, you're going to see that I'm going to go through and delete some of the choppy areas to make them more smooth. However, I'm a firm believer that the more something looks handmade, the more legit it looks. So imperfection does make perfection in my book. I just don't want to mess up a cut with my Silhouette machine because of something a little bit too choppy. So I'm just fixing those lines here by erasing them and then redrawing them with the drawing tool. Once I fix the spots I want to fix, I'm going to size the design down to the size I need. Here I want it to fit that mug that I got, so I'm going to size it down accordingly. I'm going to send my design to my Silhouette Cameo 4, however I'm going to make sure that the vinyl I choose is glossy so it cuts properly. One of my favorite things to do is to watch my Silhouette machine cut the vinyl. It's fascinating how perfect it gets it. Once your design is cut out, you're going to do what's called weeding your vinyl, which just means taking out the excess vinyl that is not part of the project. After I weed the design off camera, I add a clear contact sheet of paper over this design to transfer it onto the mug that I'm going to use to give to the teacher. I measure out exactly where I want the name to go, and then I place the contact paper and the vinyl sticker on top of the mug. You might have to pop off the top of it to apply it fully, but once it's applied, you push down the design or the name onto the mug, and then you slowly remove the contact paper and leave the name on the mug itself. All in all, this project took me about 5 minutes, so you should definitely head to your local Michaels store and attempt this project yourself.